Ever wondered how the penis actually works? Let's break it down, scientifically, but also in a way that's easy and fun to understand. Alright, the penis isn't just skin and muscle, it's a system of blood vessels, nerves, and spongy chambers designed for both function and pleasure. Here's the anatomy in a nutshell. The shaft has three main chambers, two sponge-like corpora cavernosa that fill with blood during an erection, and one corpus spongiosum surrounding the urethra. The glans, aka the head, is a nerve-ending powerhouse, and the urethra, it's the body's multitasking exit ramp for both urine and semen. Now, how do erections happen? It all starts in the brain. Arousal triggers the release of nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels so blood rushes into those spongy chambers. The veins that drain blood temporarily shut off, keeping things firm. Fun fact, you actually get 5 erections every night, your body's way of keeping the system in check. When it's time for ejaculation, your brain signals the prostate and seminal vesicles to mix fluids with sperm. Then the pelvic muscles contract, pushing semen through the urethra while the bladder sphincter closes off urine. Crazy, right? To keep your penis healthy, focus on exercise, a balanced diet, and reducing stress. Avoid smoking, excessive alcohol, and get good sleep. Your testosterone levels will thank you. And hey, let's bust some myths. Bigger isn't always better, masturbation doesn't shrink it, and cold water's effects are only temporary. Your penis is an amazing piece of engineering, so take care of it. Which fact blew your mind? Let me know in the comments and hit that subscribe button for more science-backed health tips.